Do you want a glimpse of the cutting-edge science being explored right here in Pensacola? Prepare to be captivated. Join us at the IHMC Open House during National Robotics Week, Friday, April 11th, from 4 to 7 p.m. At IHMC, our work includes scientific explorations in robotics, artificial intelligence, and health and human performance in an environment rich in innovation and discovery. Our team is dedicated to shaping the future in highly specialized, knowledge-based industries. Explore our state-of-the-art facilities and meet our researchers to learn more about how their work is shaping the future and how you can help our mission. Don't miss this opportunity to immerse yourself in our world and see the transformative potential of our human-centered research. We will see you there.